Nice. Perfect. Aw.
Are you fucking dumb?
Change it for no reason. Why the fuck? Whatever. Whatever. Fool.
Are you fucking dumb? Shut the fuck up!
Come on. You know what? Screw it. I got another one. No, don't jump in. Don't click the X button. Moron. Not click like a moron. Just call it a day. It's easy dub. Easy dub. Easy dub. It's an easy dub, boys. Easy dub. Easy. No matter what you pull, I still win. I'm still gonna win. Boom. Easy. Easy win. Easy boy. Boom. Okay. We're gonna go up on a Tuesday. Come on, man. Why did I go up? You know what? Okay, better loot. Better. Oh, perfect. Oh, come on, man. I was right there. My God, they're just playing hot potato like there's no tomorrow. Oh, look at that. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, look at that.
Are you fucking dumb? Shut!
Oh, look at that. You try to be a cocky fuck, but you just feel like a prime target.
Are you fucking dumb? Shut!
Oh, he saved my life. He saved my life. Oh, I draw one card. Yes, he did. Goddamn it. That saved my life. Oh, good luck with those cards, man. They already learned Chinese.
Are you fucking dumb?
Wait,
shut the fuck up!
Let's see what we get from this basic pack. Yeah, none of this market. Okay, so actually help me out. I can do 2 deluxes. Okay. So, first deluxe pack. Let's see what we get. Oh, we'll get a jobber. Well, 1 jobber in the first pack. Right to like what, 5 packs? Heck, we don't see it blow again. Get a manager, another Jive Owens. Hey, we got LA Knight, let's go. Yeah. That was good. Alright. Let's try some basic packs. Try some basics. See how these basics hit. Oh no. Feels gonna have itself. You know what? Let's just go here. Okay, there we go. We got the increase. Alright. 1 more pack. I'll do a basic for DC. Let's go! Fusion Pot 2. Or Nia Jax. Oh my god, they got me again. Whatever. Whatever. Let's see how many cards we got. 4. Nice. We got 1 towards Roman. 1 towards Cosmetics. Yeah, I'm probably have to grind this out later on. Probably have to grind this out later on after the stream. Oh, the Seg! Oh, Singer Splash. Singer Splash! Bumping the taunt. Pick him up. Scorpion Death Drop. Excuse me. A chop. Here we go. Scorpion Death Drop. From the icon. Ref, I think it's sweet time. 1, 2. Are you serious? Are you serious? Darby Allin is just, oh god, no. No, wake up! Oh my god, I got put in the trash. What the fuck? Code Red. I literally like, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. I have a star. All that it was to have a star. Those fisted punches, and then now why the hell can't bring a cherry? Woods, what the hell? What the hell is Woods doing over there? Woods, make up your mind. And now Heyman's distracting you. It didn't even work again. Kofi's just trouble in paradise. Referee, quick in there. 1, 2. Kofi did it. Kofi did it. He beat the beast. Kofi beat the beast. He's the new champion. Paul Heyman's distracting didn't work out well. Instead, it cost Lesnar big time. Kofi Kingston is the WWE champion. Let's get it! It's not that entertaining. There's a normal table move. Oh, Cena from the top of the cage! But thugonomic Cena. I know what he can pull out of his arsenal. If you think Cena's gonna tap, you tripping. Cena, another shot on top of the cage! Just find the dead man. Cena now on the, another Cena's on top of the cage. That's 3 out of the 4 Cena's that was on top of the fucking cage! Nope. Kick the table out. F5. F5. That's it. You didn't even use this. And of course, Edge. It's always Edge. Edge, that slimy piece of shit Edge, got the pin on the John Cena that was based on him.